Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into the world of portable power banks with the WAI PPS-400. It's a compact and seemingly rugged device, but does it live up to its promises? Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Greetings, fellow tech aficionados. We've got our hands on the WAI PPS-400 power bank. A compact unit that boasts an impressive 426 watt-hours battery capacity despite its lightweight build. It offers a range of ports, including 2 USB-A and 2 AC sockets, making it a versatile option for various devices. However, as we'll discover, there's more to the story than meets the eye. The WAI PPS-400 may look like it means business, but its design is more functional than flashy. It's part of the company's EV range, which is interesting considering its battery capacity. Nevertheless, its compact size and lightweight build make it easily transportable, with a retractable handle on top for added convenience. Let's dive into the details of the port arrangement and controls. The WAI PPS-400's port selection is packed into 2 small panels, which can feel cramped and inconvenient. On one side, you'll find AC and solar inputs, a display, USB-A ports, and DC outputs. However, the horizontal orientation of the ports and their proximity to the edge can lead to issues with cable management and stability. Now, let's talk about the display and charging capabilities of the WAI PPS-400. The display is basic, showing only the battery charge percentage. Charging options include mains input, car power supply, and solar power. While it's not the fastest charging power bank, it offers flexibility. However, its efficiency and capacity reporting seem a bit vague, which might raise concerns about its reliability. When it comes to performance, the WAI PPS-400 demonstrates a mix of strengths and weaknesses. While it's compact and surprisingly powerful for its size, its reliability at higher loads is questionable. The bypass circuit is a helpful feature, ensuring a smooth transition between mains and battery power. However, the overall efficiency and capacity might leave you wanting more. And that's a wrap on our WAI PPS-400 power bank review. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep charging forward with your tech choices. This is Product Critique, signing off.